So that we can proceed. Right. All right. Thank you, DJ. Mr. Justice Aban. God bless you. But almost some of the best man. I have returned to the complementary education agency.
Our wonderful, brilliant students. With all humility, it is an honor to stand before you today as a chairman for this important occasion. Enhancing private basic education, the role of a stakeholder. It speaks directly to the heart of national development, just academic excellence, but also moral guidance and then character development, which is very important. This is the responsibility we carry as educators, parents, leaders. Let us never forget we are planting seeds in the minds of these young ones. I accept this role today. Thank you.
Anyone do not say, oh, yay, the man of board members, and he's the Mabiamu executives, PT executives, board members, about Tomato Samahin. Then progress in film. It's one of those headers of the school, your speech.
Students of iHelp Academy, I welcome you all to this August day in the life of iHelp Academy. We gather to recognize the outstanding achievement of our students and to reflect on our collective efforts in building a solid foundation of our future medical officers, pharmacists, lecturers, parliamentarians we may never be able to imagine. Mr. Robert Esuman opts to open the iHelp Academy to offer such opportunities to the children of his community. As a result, the school commenced operation with 20 learners in preschool department, mixture of British and Ghanaian curriculum to provide experience for the learners to discover knowledge. Distinguished chairman and invited guests, from this humble beginning, iHelp Academy has grown, offering specialized education to over 160 learners from preschool to basic 5. As the best private school in the Jumako Enyan Estiam district, co-curricular training and character development that sets our students apart to Jane and from me. I
Thank you. That's right. That's it, right? That's all right. That's it. Catch them, boy, and that's it. Where's the mother and the father? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You broke my confidence every day. And never thought that I would be okay. You lie to me. You make me want to feel. Coming back on your knees, oh no. See no more.
Hey, ha, rock and roll, rock and roll, rock and roll.
Motivate yourself. Don't listen to those who see your mistake. Thank you. My name is Maria. Don't try to do everything. Do one thing well. Thank you. My name is Elizabeth Marcelo. Over 21-22. Wisdom is better. Thank you. My name is Nana Mama. I am in KG1. The title of my poem is Plan. I am blessed. I am brilliant. I have life with me. I breathe. I drink. I eat. I grow. I die.
my family, what's some on? Because why are they too much? Ma, I do cry, in fact, I'm a man, my camera fabric, I never embraced it. No one judges in pen, and I don't know that India, there's life in India, that they drink, they eat, they die, they grow. Let me hear. Dance, come here. Dance, dance.
Am I not a history maker? Yeah,
Hey, Ghana from what you know? Ghana from what? I know sugar bonnet, it's a sugar bonnet. I had it. Hey, you. Moha. But I'm on 50. I'm 50. I'm not going to party. But you have to take the fight. I have it. I'm sure I have it. So I am sure. 56. This is a guy online.
Positivity. Number 4, warmth and enthusiasm. Joy, happiness and sunshine. Household Ando, representing color green. Vanessa, represents freshness. Jeremiah, representing nature and growth. Christopher, representing color. Hope and renewal. Representative color blue.
Agenda.
Seneca Ibaka for represent Carmen. Pastor Baba Bedu for trustworthy and loyalty. For represent purple. For learning and creativity. In conclusion, color can influence our mood, behavior, and perception. By understanding the meaning of color, you can express yourself, communicate, Consider the second impact of colors in your professional and personal life. Thank you.
Emra, Emrofo ye aeroplane man 2 years no. Ghana ni bi see gari man 2.
Aye. DJ ba no madase ai. Aeroplane twin gari su twi. Em sa fu mo fe ya do mi mo sem hon. Now in conclusion, you should also talk. In conclusion, you should I need for conclusion. I need for the guys' conclusion. Your presentation. The conclusion. In conclusion, what do you say?
In conclusion, colors can influence our mood, behavior, and perception. By understanding the meaning of colors, you can express yourself, communicate effectively, make informed decisions. Consider the side impact of colors in your professional and personal life. Thank you.
Thank you, Opa. Thank you, Opa. About I'm sure over here. Something. In conclusion, why is it? The social it's ahead. God, come here. God bless you. It's raining. Good. Mama, God bless you, okay? In conclusion, colors. God bless you. In the of the rain. All right. Right, so now time for presentation. Right, so as you can see before me, there's a computer here. So it's raining, rain at the August for at the end of the day. Because of the rain. DJ, Mofabanda, what about this? The computing. And she's not looking. And so the other day, woman and drum.
Yeah.
Even to have a school like this in the district, we see that it is grace and we are grateful. Again, Mr. CEO, proprietor, headmistress, parents, staff, all of us, from the District Director of Education, Sabina Alva Wilson. She specifically tasked me to go to iHelp Academy, attend this program. What are we supposed to put together? What are we supposed to do to make this school unfunny temper non-fra ewa district? Mr. Chairman, all protocol observed. When you look around, this is a school that has all that it takes to bring the best out of our children. When we look around the infrastructure, enter the classrooms, the learning aids we have, it means that us obeying through a piano, or they are studying, they are piano, no going for a swim. How can this place be the best if parents are not doing what they are supposed to do? How can this school be the best if teachers are not doing what they are supposed to do? How can this school be the best in the district if the learners are not in the classroom, or if the learners are not doing what they are supposed to do? Finally, how can this school be on top if GS, GS, region, and national have decided to forget about whatever they do here?
I am mayor, color yellow. With my body's positivity. Abba for and enthusiasm. Joy of happiness and sunshine. Household under representing color green. Vanessa represents freshness. Set the second impact of colors in your professional and personal life. Thank you. Colors can influence our mood, behavior, and perception. By understanding the meaning of colors, you can express yourself, communicate effectively, make informed decisions. Consider the side impact of colors. Thank you.
Hey, thank you, Opa. Thank you, Opa. Hey, Arafu. About I'm sure over here. Something. There's a computer here. Going to really brain and I forgot for the end of today. Those are the brain. Go find the whole base is seven. We have a computing.
I'm a geologist. Do you know what I do? Yes, I study the earth and its components. There are 8 continents around the globe. These are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica. Asia has 48 countries. Examples are China, India, etc. Africa has 50 Ghana, our neighbors like Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, and not forgetting Nigeria. South America, consisting of 12 independent countries, namely Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, etc. Unfortunately, Antarctica is a distant landmass covered in ice on the European continent. Let's not forget you. Thank you for joining with me around the globe. Thank you. The monitor is our window into the digital world. This is where the magic happens. Whether we are typing an email or writing an essay, the keyboard is our connection to communication and creativity. Now let us dive a bit deeper into the heart of the computer. joy. And we cannot forget about memory, which allows our computer to run applications and process information efficiently. In conclusion, information technology is not just about computers. It is about how these components work together to enhance our lives. So the next time you sit at a computer, take a moment to appreciate the technology that makes it all possible.
We are here to give you the presentation about the digestive system. Math, oh math, so strong and so fine. Chewing food with teeth that shine. Saliva mixes in a perfect blend, helping digestion, a true friend. Esophagus, until so long, food slides down all day strong. Into the stomach, it goes with glee, where digestion continues happily. Stomach, oh stomach, so busy inside, carrying food with gastric juices to provide, breaking down proteins with a mighty roar, helping our body forevermore. Intestine, so thin and so long, absorbing nutrients, all day strong, healthy digestive system passing by. Anus, the end of the digestive line, waste remover, a vital sign, and keeping our body healthy and strong.
Please, if you were born before the 90s, can you please raise your hand? I just want to ask you one question. Is there any skill or business that was not in existence back then that you see in existence today?
These days when you go to the supermarket, even the supermarket, and you buy something, you see the people there keying something, give you receipts when you pay and all that. But when we were born those days, we don't see those things.
She said it's called the POS system. The future we are preparing for our children. I know we are all here because we love our children. We care for them and then we appreciate them. That's why we want to introduce this STEM education to you. Now STEM stands for science, technology, engineering and mathematics. So there's a future ahead of us. Now the future is defined by two words. If you give anything time enough, you will start to see changes. So the world back then, in the 80s or in the 90s, has changed from what it was. And the one we see today was not what we saw back then. Back then there were no cars, so you had to walk. Expect to see in the future that is coming. When computer was first introduced to the world, it was introduced as what? A calculator and a storage device. But now computers have moved from calculators to smartphones, where we use for communication. The future stands for two words, time and change. So if you are preparing for the future, it means you are managing time and the changes that will come within the time.
Yes, this commander, police, yes. ASP said, this commander. In
fact, I'm very delighted to be here this afternoon to be one of the guests of this program. I must say, I'm very enthused. In fact, the first day I came to this district, I was passing to the CRC for a program. And immediately I just asked my colleagues, who owns this school? So it's one of the people from the school. They can also have a quality education as well. So any day, any time I'm passing, any instruction I'll give to my men to go around.
Informally for non-formal education for the central region. When it can now it has expanded. Now we do remedial education, we do operational skill development, We do CBE, Complementary Basic Education. The program has expanded. So we are complementing GES. You know, GES were formal school. Here you were informal or non-formal, put them together. In the probably I will be school, they will know. Now I ask for class. Because education is very important and everybody should be educated. To them, America says, you do have no, that means maybe a private school, they bring you for money. But the question is, what is the country doing to support private schools? That's my big question. We need to support an initiative like this because we like it or yes. We are people in this country who want to send their children outside the country. And outside the country, these are the facilities you are going to see. Now today, this kind. Apart from maybe park. Another thing I want to talk about is indiscipline. Indiscipline. In fact, this thing came out just yesterday. I was at the Regional Coordinating Council for a meeting. I become good adults. In that, I won't go to never to school or where the brother. Now the time actually, so let's take care of this. Indiscipline, we become more like all other schools. Let's support the school that all community. Let's work together to build this as a whole. I remember this is very important to the ministry. They do it and do more because that is where the future is going. It's my wife. So if you see her anywhere, that's why she's in this servant. She didn't do that for me, but I thank her for her. Thank you very much.
Yes, okay, better the one you be a fed. The amount to master about and proprietor don't know to yet. And Mobia obey here if you move here, one more that's over proprietor no. Na school no wakodo. Last year you had your hui. And this year so you would have was the same. Waba pata fine. Why your graduation grounds are you united here? I am Mr. Aban Orca no Orca there. I buy the other private schools. Yeah, I buy no Ogusu, Oguda only yet, not from the there was a sunti. I feel you there. Was select some private SHS. We be placing my friend one of my friend where we are JHS, and we be placing my friend be over. Yes, I buy no already other private schools. Kakra, you go do basic level, so if you don't know,
right.
No, or yeah, if you are woman or ya wusu, let me see woman, wusia. I will soon be a woman, but see a cosiaca. Namoa wusu, no one see a cosiaca, yet I wusu now. One will know naturally or you'll be a ope as a pump. So that person has passion for fashion. So if you have passion for fashion and you are being taught how to do it, you do it with some exceptionality.
It is an honor to mount this platform in this occasion of the first speech and prize giving day and the third graduation ceremony of iHelp Academy, and to have the privilege of delivering a keynote address on the theme Enhancing Private Basic Education, the Role of Stakeholders. The fuels of the vehicle that drives development in the 21st century is education, and one cannot underestimate its importance in the life of the citizenry. Mr. Chairman, according to Ghana's Education Sector Report 2020, private schools constitute 49% of basic schools in Ghana. It is a yefa basic schools in Ghana. Yeyi schools or 100 is why no to the another 49 year private schools.
Waiting to hear the voice of my commando. Jesus, if you call my name, I will answer a billion. I am a soldier at the battlefield. Waiting to hear the voice of my commando. Jesus, if you call my name, I will answer a billion. Who is calling my name? Jesus is calling my name. Who is calling my name? Jesus is calling my name. Hey, hey. This is your life. Your blessing Wow. Yes in white, yes in blue. That is true. That is true. That is true. That is true. Ampa. I would remember my family here. Tiani yakayande. Aya yakayande. Good. From the proprietor, the school management committee, some of the executives, and what one able of fun woman that's starting to open fair. The mission of Wait for Sema. Wait for him. Prestation, okay. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Now, sing by a pom with Jesus Christ in the morning. Amen. Amen. Hit.